It's the Bilingual Bear memory game. Animals. Round 1. Peacock, owl, eagle, duck, penguin. Peacock, owl, eagle, duck, penguin. Remember where the cards are. Let's play. Where is the eagle? Where is the eagle? Here is the eagle. Where is the duck? Where is the duck? Here is the duck. Where is the peacock? Where is the peacock? Here is the peacock. Where is the owl? Where is the owl? Here is the owl. What is this? This bird doesn't fly. This is the penguin. Great job! Round 2. Chicken, cow, horse, pig, sheep. Chicken, cow, horse, pig, sheep. Remember where the cards are. Let's play. Where is the sheep? Where is the sheep? Here is the sheep. Where is the chicken? Where is the chicken? Here is the chicken. Where is the pig? Where is the pig? Here is the pig. Where is the cow? Where is the cow? Here is the cow. What is this? A cowboy rides this animal. This is a horse. Let's review. Peacock, owl, eagle, duck, penguin, chicken, cow, horse, pig, sheep. Great job. Thanks for playing.